name is Manju Sree. I have completed my Btech from Educational Academic Group of Institutions in non-IT background. After my graduation, I joined in QSpiders with my friend suggestion, and I have chosen Python full stack development here. So before joining in QSpiders, I felt somewhat difficult, like I can crack this IT side job or not. But QSpiders helped me a lot to get IT side job, and they conducted weekly mocks and presentation to get out from stage fear and interview fear. And here trainers are very supportive, and they will teach each and every concept clearly, and they conducted daily presentations and weekly mocks. So and I got placed in a startup company with the QSpiders guidance, and they thanks a lot for QSpiders, and this is the best platform for students to enhance their skills.